Imagine living in a world where your pet could get you burned alive, and where a parrot repeating a prayer was enough to summon the Inquisition. This isn't a legend. It almost ended in execution. In 1603, in the bustling streets of Seville, Spain, a woman named Blanca owned a parrot unlike any other. The bird didn't just mimic, it listened. It learned. It responded at the perfect moments. If someone knocked, it shouted, "One moment." If someone cried, it whispered, "No la." And worst of all, it recited a church prayer, word for word. To us, it's talent. To them, it was witchcraft. One afternoon, a neighbor heard the parrot praying. A bird speaking sacred words? That was unthinkable. She ran screaming through the street, "The devil's bird, the devil's bird." That night, Blanca was dragged from her home, and so was the parrot, placed in a wooden cage covered in holy symbols. At the trial, the courtroom was packed. Even judges were nervous. If the parrot truly spoke, what did that mean? When the judge walked in, the bird tilted its head and softly said, "Hola, señor." The room erupted. People screamed. One woman fainted. Blanca begged them to understand. The bird heard human voices every day. It was just copying. But fear doesn't care about science. So they tested the parrot. They whispered words it had never heard. They prayed. They argued. They changed voices. And the bird stared back silently, suddenly mute, like it understood its life depended on it. But the twist? A young monk, barely 18, secretly fed the parrot at night. And as he did, he spoke to it, softly, kindly. A week later, during a late-night prayer, the parrot repeated his voice. The monk froze. He realized the truth. Not demons, not sorcery, just mimicry. He risked his life to testify the next morning. The court hesitated, but finally freed Blanca. The parrot became famous. A nobleman adopted it, and for years people visited it like a miracle. But historians still debate one strange detail. Why did the parrot suddenly go silent during the tests? Fear, instinct, or something we still don't understand? If you love story where history feels impossible, but happened anyway, follow Odd Past for the next unbelievable chapter.